got me an axle.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
Had to go get that mother. Y'all got cars with rims and all that stuff, man. You definitely want to have somebody that know and experienced in it. Yeah, man. So just pull it up at the crib. There you go. Yeah, just put it up at the crib. I got that axle. Hope that damn thing fit, man. It should though. So he have to knock these studs. Well, I'm gonna have to use my other stud. Y'all, I forgot I can do this. I forgot I can do that. Can't ride clean and be dirty. There's something about that intake. I mean that could it be considered as a co-air intake? Looks good, you know what I'm saying? Like it looked like how a motor should look. Far as in like having a car, cause I already had all this other stuff, you know what I'm saying? So he did a good job, knew what he was doing. Everything hooks up, everything connected, no leaks, you know what I'm saying? He brought it back running smooth, headers, everything is good, you know? Shout out to my boy, Carlos, AKA Ike Turner on Facebook. Y'all wanna know who be doing them swaps. Y'all look up Ike Turner on Facebook. I told him, man, go on make a YouTube channel. Cause man, when I say he do swaps, and that's what he do, and get satisfied customers and stuff like that, man. That's how it's supposed to be. Get subscribed to Doinks Lifestyle, man. Oh shit. That's it right there. Yes, sir, man. We getting it done, though. You know. Getting it done, man. Y'all know I'm be bullshit, man. It's the next day.
Man, I ain't did nothing of what I'm supposed to do, man.
I was watching your video, what, 2 days ago?
Yeah, I ain't been doing what I'm supposed to be. I'm gonna jump out. I say I am. I'm gonna try to get a little more time. What that pen?
Yes, sir, man. That pen? Yeah. I got my fam out here, man. K Walter Mechanic. Y'all been looking him up on YouTube. This the man right here with the plan, man. He can do it all. No problem. You think it's high enough? Look at it.
Yeah, we should be good, man.
Bet. Got the new axle in the box.
See what it is it's like the axle goes in and it has like that little posi unit spring in it, and it's got like a solid little rod that you got to unscrew out. The rod will drop out. It'll let you push an axle in and then pull out the C-clip, and then it'll let it come out. But the thing about it is yours is broke right here. So usually when you take that C-clip out of it, you can snatch out on it to snatch it out of, you know, where it hook into where your gears is. So we're gonna try to push it out. Then we're gonna try to stick a magnet to pull, you know, the part that's broke off on it. Okay. Yeah, so it pretty much like it pushes through like a little spot, and then you stick your clip in, and then you pull the axle back, and it'll be up close on here, and that rod keeps them where they you know, it ain't no slack, and they can't really bounce back and forth.
Gotcha. Yo, I ain't too long had these damn things changed out. I mean, 373, them 373.
This, I'm talking about, take this bolt out. Gracious, take that bolt out, and then this rod gonna slide out. You can see. I should have had a flare. I used to have my little light with me, but
man, it took me a while to get it swapped over, man, but
yeah, that still be a little process, man. I already know, and then especially if you waiting on people, so
yeah. I was like, man, these damn 305, 350 motor, man. Shit.
Yeah, I like a conventional motor, man, but you know, going with technology in the way, so
exactly.
I had screwed out too much. I couldn't even get my ratchet out of there.
I promise you, I wouldn't even get started.
Yeah. I need to get
So this whole thing gotta come out.
Nah, you just taking this bolt out. This bolt goes through this rod. That's what holds it in place.
Oh, that rod. Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Easy. Just like that. Turn it down just a little more. But I'm trying to, like, usually we would kind of push the axle in. It'll give you enough room to pull that little C-clamp out. But being that we can't push in, you know, you have to kind of catch on that lip a little bit and pry it forward. Then we pull the clip out and then try to jolt it back that way.
Okay. All right, y'all, so that's that C-clamp over there, that edge up there. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but y'all see that look. Oh yeah, damn, I see that bit too.
Yeah, she snapped her good.
Damn. Y'all see it.
You know how it is, man. It's like, for an example, you know what you want, some of the stuff, the characteristics of your video.
Right.
So they gotta know how to automatically piece it together, you know.
Correct.
What I'm saying?
That's why I be trying to.
So that's why I was like, man, I just gotta make time for it.
Yep, that's it, man. Just make time, just keep doing it. Cause like I said, for my first video, I see it getting better and better and better. Now I'm getting comfortable talking.
Yeah,
getting comfortable moving.
I sure be out there working on some stuff, cause I always still record. Like right now, if I go do a job, especially if I ain't never done, I still record it. And somebody might walk up, and it just kind of throw me off a little bit or something. But, sometimes,
right?
Because half the time I be having to watch what they be saying.
Yeah, most definitely got to.
But man, you don't have time to pick one up.
For real.
You know, just that he didn't always was walking somewhere doing something.
Yeah.
I pick him up, cause
bro, I'm telling you,
that some of them is beyond right now.
Like I said, man, you see something, man, just go for it. Just stay positive, man.
The same spot. Where that old one? Where it go?
Man, why I feel like that bit taller than them?
What they ask?
Yeah, maybe I'm just because how that piece broke in there.
Yeah, it's probably
oh, okay.
We should have known. Yeah, let me see. This should be about the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright guys, so axle don't fit. I gotta get a 7.5 axle with the 26 spindle things to count. That one I got was a 8x5 and it had like 28 of the grooves.
you know, the grooves that goes in the where the gears and stuff at. So what it was, I counted I ain't even know that shit was a difference, but I counted it, man. It was 26 up in there. It was 26, so I counted it. So we're gonna go home and like I said, hopefully that's it. I ain't trying to mess with that no more. Boy, that shit was hell. Yes, sir, man. Whew. Man, I'm glad they had that shit. God dang. I'm glad they had it stopped. I counted it though, it was 26. Yo, what's up with the game? Man, I know it's dark out here, so I just want to give y'all a little peek of what I had to get. So I did get gasket. I got 2 quarts of these. That's what it say to get for the rear end, the gear oil, and I got some seal and some blades so I can scrape that stuff off. I can scrape that out. I was gonna save that oil, but I'm putting new oil in there. Got that, so I'm about to go get the bearing out. I mean the shaft out the vehicle. I still gotta knock the studs in. So, like I said, I know it's dark right now, so I'm gonna do that and see what all I can get done tonight. All right, guys, still dark out here, man. We just got done with it. Got everything on. Got the wheel on. So, I'm finna crank it up, man, and see if I can move it real quick and go from there. Y'all see, I'm happy today, man. I got my shit running now. Bruh, I just got up, man, out the bed. I ain't gonna lie. I just got out the bed, brushed my teeth. I don't even think I washed my face, goddamn it. I got up and I was just like, man, let me hop in this thing. But right now, I'm just in it right now. Trying to let y'all just see the shift point. And y'all know how at first it was like shifting real hard and it shift for a minute. But now I can kind of like hit on it. And like she gonna go now. So, the problem was my fuel injectors, man. That was clogged up, you know what I'm saying? That was all clogged up. So now we just got those did, and man, she running a whole lot better now. But I hit on it. Hauling ass. She driving like how she's supposed to now. Yes, sir. She don't feel like sluggish or stalled out or anything. So now she riding like how she's supposed to ride, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can tell, like, when now I do gotta get my transmission looked at, because like when I put it in drive, she don't really go, you know what I'm saying? Like, only way she'll really go if you just kind of hit on it and play with it, and then she'll like bump and go. But that's how my axle broke. But now how I do it, I just put it in first. I mean, I put it in second. I go, put it in drive. I mean overdrive, whatever, and then I put it in drive or however. But after that, I stop, do all that. It's fine. She gonna drive normal. It just when I put it in park. And then when I put it back in drive, so when I start over, that's when I had to shift it from up, you know, from the bottom up. The injector was clogged up, that was it. That bitch moving. God damn. Bruh, this motherfucker moving now. She done woke up, goddamn. getting excited. I feel like, shit. Man, I know y'all not here to experience it, but to me, this my first, well, second LS swap, but this is my first in the box Chevy. For me to go through 2 motors and 2 rebuilds on my motors and putting the LS in, it made a totally different, bro, like crazy. That bitch got some power. I'm talking about with them 28s, bro, she get up and go. I'm talking about, bro, these big ass 28s on here. 5'3", this motherfucker will pick this bitch up and go. And I'm really not just hitting on it like that. I wish y'all can hear it. But let me step on it. Look at that. I'm stepping on it. Bruh. And she responding quick. Instant power. That's what I'm talking about. Goddamn Carlo Edwards, goddamn my boy, appreciate it for the LS swap. He told me I'm gonna feel a big difference. But at the time, I felt like I couldn't because I ain't know, you know what I'm saying, if it just needed a different type of tune. He did say he got a tune for me, but I was assuming that it probably needed a different type of tune because it felt like I didn't really just have the power I wanted. But now, bro, god damn, look at that. Bro, she's picking up. Man, I wish y'all can like see it in person, bro. I'm satisfied. I'm happy, bro, because with these motherfucking 28s on, I can pull beside any damn thing right now. Probably need to go on, put some gas in it before I run out. What's on? Yeah, she picking up instantly, bro. I'm just gonna take it to the house. I might get out later on and put some gas in it. Well, let me go on and stop, put some gas in it, because I might be in this bitch all day. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna go home, clean it out some more, and I'm probably gonna get my ass right back in this mug. Gotta get right, man. We putting in the gas station. I'm finna put some of this 89 in here. How much I put yesterday? I put $15 in there yesterday. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put probably about $10 more in there. It ain't gonna hurt. About $10 more in there. But that bitch get up and go, y'all, like for real, man. I need to get my brakes changed. See, this bitch dirty. I need to get my brakes changed. After I get my brakes changed, got the what's name on there. But yeah, y'all see that bitch lay down and go. I'm definitely gonna have to I wanna get my brakes changed. Some front end did. I got the 373 back there. Y'all comment down below, y'all let me know if I need 410s in here or not. Yeah, man, she right, man. She back breathing, dog. She back breathing like she's supposed to do. All right, so right now I got it in park, but put in reverse, she jumped. Put it in neutral, put it in drive, she don't do nothing. See that? And then even when I go, she rolling back. So put in second, she go. So that's what I have to do right now until I just get used to it and get it fixed how I want it. So it's gonna be that way until I, like I said, until I put it in my budget to where I need to get my trans fixed. If y'all got the big blocks and all that, then I understand. But if y'all got like a 305 and y'all trying to see what route to go like I was, now I got the experience now up in the LS swaps. So it's a big difference, especially like 28s and a big ass car. Say, man, if y'all ain't tuning in to Doinks lifestyle, man, I'm talking about Doinks lifestyle, boy.